Ninjani bafethu, Mogus fam. I hope ni-grand. So namhlanje I just wanted ukuthi nginitshengise ukuthi ngempela i-Forex iyasebenza and you can make money. Right now, i-account yami is 00, but I actually made a withdrawal, So ngomhla 12 kwakune-event ye-NZD. So I only made like $11, ngaleyo event le. It's fundamentals nakhona. That's why I love my fundamentals, because it's just in out yabo, uyangena uyaphuma. So in the same day futhi nakhona kwi-interest rates khona ke event engayenzanga bekuyi-CPI, angiyenzanga basically. Bengisayi-check-a nje ukuthi ithini into yayo. So manjena ke ngenza $32. So imali engayenza for that day it was $42, $42. So basically I withdrew, sorry about that, I withdrew the money, as you can see. I withdrew the money, withdrew. And yeah, I actually received that money. Ngizonivezela nakhona. So basically naile mali, it was $725, $42, as you can see. Nansi la, angidlali ngani, I'm talking all Forex. Afethu, Forex is the way. And nje ama-fundamentals nje mina top notch. So bafethu, anyone onga-understandi ama-fundamentals, drop a comment in the comment section and like our videos, subscribe, follow us more mfethu. We're gonna drop some bangers, sazoshubisa bangers. Sinomusa nje sizoshaya content edope, yabo. Asikakabi namaklasi okwamanje because safuna ukuthi nje yonke into iplaneke ihlangane kahle before anything happens, yabo, because ngiyafisa ukuthi mina abantu babone izinto zenzeka, babona benza imali. Obviously ama classes, they won't be free because this thing really needs you to know what you're doing, yabo. But see, akuyona into ezohlala kuyona le. Into engifuna mina ama-1-on-1 sessions, that will do it. Abantu bethu abafuna ukuthi baze bafunde i-Forex, but i-Forex bafethu ngayilahli. Iyasipana le shandisi. Le mpahla iyi-side hustle at the same time. Phela nje mawunolwazi and ul-apply ngendlela, nizoba right. So yeah, that's what's up bafethu. This is the cash, 725 rands. Danko.